Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can manually create a grid to use as guidelines for your videos on CapCut PC. So add in your video and then you're going to go to library. Then you are going to scroll down until you find like these colors, and just like the color that you want for the guideline, just going to select this like purple one. Then I'm just going to extend it throughout the whole video. Go to mask and select film strip and create like a really thin line, as thin as you can go. And for instance, I want to create one here, and then just copy and paste it as you go to create more lines. It is super tedious. If you want to like rotate it like this to create the line going that way. Copy and paste it again like that, and that's how you can basically create a guideline on CapCut PC. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!